Hey everybody, it's Neil, and what I have here is a little Mosaic table, and I'm going to show you guys it. I'm going to time lapse it so you guys can watch me put it together. Probably don't even need a time lapse. I can just show you guys me putting it together. How about that? So we have the table bottom here. It's very heavy. It comes with the 4 bolts. Sorry, I have styrofoam all over me because it was packed in styrofoam that fell apart. But let's see. So, oh, look at that. So this is going to be the footing for it. It's got nice little feet here, little rubber feet, and it looks like they screw out. So if it comes off kilter, if you're putting it outside or something, it's on a uneven surface, you can unscrew one or the other and even it out. So, like when you're at a place and you stick sugar packets under the corner of a table when it's rocking, you don't have to do that with these. You just rotate it. So very cool. I like that it came with that. Okay, I think I'm tight. Okay, so there we go. So we are solid. Now let's see how this looks. Look at how pretty that is. Very nice. And see, it's a little, well, it's uneven now. And then I can just unscrew this one here. And now, well, not yet. Am I screwing it in? Oh, I was screwing it in instead of unscrewing it. But so now we have all 4 sides on the floor, and we have it pretty. Maybe I had to do a little bit on the side. But you get the idea. So I'm just loosening up this one here. Now it's very stable. So there we go. So now we have a nice little table with Mosaic, and it's pretty heavy. I mean, this thing's probably 15 pounds or something. So it's nice. It'll probably stay up in the wind and good for outside. I might actually just keep it inside because I kind of like it and needed a little corner table next to the couches. So very cool. Thumbs up for me.